Hey, what's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today I got another video for you. How to deregister your Tivo Stream 4K device. The reason you want to deregister it is because if you're giving it to anyone outside of your home, you don't want your account to be out there or your email to be out there in other people's homes or businesses. So that's why we're going to deregister this device. It's pretty easy. As long as you follow these instructions, you will be very, very successful. And I'm gonna have a bonus one for you too. So with that being said, let's go and get into how to deregister your Tivo Stream 4K. And in the future, there may be other videos with updates to do it, but as of right now, this is the only way I see it as of right now. All right, what we're gonna do, if you pull up your screen, your home screen to your Tivo Stream 4K, and what you want to do, you want to go over here to settings. All right, so let's go over there and highlight settings. You want to click on settings. All right, from there you want to go to device preferences. All right, so let's go and highlight that right there. Let's go into there, and now you want to go to about. So let's click on about, and guys, from here you want to go and click on status. Now the number I want you to pay attention to is the serial number. All right, pay attention to it. I don't care if you got to write it down, because if this device is leaving your home, you want to get everything off it. You don't want anything with your email, your account number on it. So if you want to write this number down, me personally, I just write down the last 5 digits, and I'll do it right now. That way we're all on the same page, and it is 09468. All right, so I got that number down. From there, guys, let me come on over here. I'm going to bring up the website, Tivo.com. You need to sign into Tivo. Go ahead, click on it, sign back in, where you'll have something like this. And what I want you to do, drop down, I need you to go into my accounts. So whatever you got to do, go into my accounts. And give it some time. And it's very, very easy, guys. We're almost done with it. And again, I'm going to have a bonus for you. So as you see right here, we are in my accounts. You see it's highlighted blue right here. Now, only thing we got to do is scroll down. I'm going to pause the video and come back, because as you're scrolling down, you'll see my personal information. And I don't want to display that on YouTube. So let me pause this video. But you just scroll down. If you're on the website, scroll down. Okay, so once you scroll down, you should come to something like this. You should see devices. All right, so remember, guys, I am looking for that 09468. Remember, we got that number from the serial number. Okay, so again, 09468. Here it is right here, 09468. This is the device that I have. I activated, and you notice over here it says deactivate device. Okay, now in previous ones I have deactivated some of these, but these are the ones that got deactivated. All right, so when we deactivate the device that's part of us, we go over here and click deactivate. And remember, deactivate is over here. You see where it says cancel service? All right, let's cancel it. And then you're going to come with this message. Say, we hate to see you go. If you deactivate Tivo Stream 4K from your account, you will lose all your shows and recommendations. Are you sure you want to continue? Now, with this message, this does not mean all your third-party applications. This is strictly for things you may have ordered through Tivo.com. Or you activated some things like a Sling TV or something like that. This is strictly for that. Now you want to click yes. All right. So as you see, it's going through the motion. Okay. And so you should get something like this saying deactivation completed. And when you scroll down, you see it right here, 09468. That is part of mine. Okay. With that being said, guys, I want to show you one more thing. All right. Because now that that device is activated and we know it's deactivated, let me see something. Let me click on my account again before I move on, because I do want to show you one more thing on the Tivo display. But I don't want to show my account. I don't want to show my account. Okay, so let me scroll down and bring this back up. All right, so when you go back to your account, remember, when you go back to your account and you scroll down, if you come over here and click inactive Tivo devices, you notice this device has been added. Okay. Now, if you want to return and get everything set back up, here it is, the reactivation options, and you should come to something like that. If you click see URL, it'll come to this. And some of y'all, when you first set it up, you remember this. That's all you have to do. It'll give you a code, and then you go from there. It's as simple as that. The way you set it up, this is the same way. It's just telling you got to go to tivo.com/activate/stream 4K to sign back in. But of course, if you're giving it to somebody, leave that on them. Okay. Now, this is the last thing I want you to know. Over to Stream. Okay. Once you go over to your Stream app, you notice everything is still up under you. Everything is up under you. All right, so let me go move this over here. Move myself over. Guys, from here, I need, if you want this out of your name, because remember, if you go down here to settings, even though we deactivated this account, your Tivo stream is still going. Go down to settings. And if you go down to account info, you notice your email is still there. We don't want to leave that there. All right. Get it up out of there. What we want to do is go down and sign out. Get it up out of you. So whoever you're giving it to, if they want to use this application, they can go and create a free account using Tivo. So hit sign out. And it says it right here, sign out and exit app. So let's do that. All right, so once we click that, so now if they want to use this free application, when they click on here, this is what they should get. Bam. All right, they should be able to go on, create them an account, and then go from there. Or you can just create a dummy account. All right. If you want to keep it, just create a dummy account and then go from there, and you can just leave it as is. But to me, I get it out of my regular email, because I'm telling you, you don't want people to get access to your email account or, your account, period. We've seen a lot of craziness with the Amazon Fire TV Stick and the Fire TV Stick 4K when people done gave it. And then next thing you know, you go on your account and people are ordering movies, music, all of that, and it's hitting your account. And you like, what the heck? What account is this? And you got to call Amazon and all of that stuff. You don't want this to happen to you. So if you like the video, please thumbs this video up, guys. If you're not subscribed to me, please subscribe. Share this video. This will help others. And this is the way that I see it as of today. May 24th, 2020. Not to say it won't change in the future, because some people gonna come, oh, there's another way. There may be many ways, but right now, this is the way I see it as of right now. Salute to everyone. I see you. Remain to be safe, and I'll talk to you on the next video. This is Superdell, and I'm signing out. Peace.